we start syncing state with Firebase as soon as the component mounts, regardless of whether we're signed in or not. We probably shouldn't do that until after we sign in. We only want to start syncing notes when we sign in. So if we just change the name of this method from component did mount to something else, it will no longer run automatically because it won't be a lifecycle method anymore. So let's call it sync notes. That's what it's doing. Sync notes. When do we really want that to happen? After we sign in. So we could go down to handle auth. We set state. Set state is also asynchronous. It happens in the background. It'll run whatever's on the next line before it's finished doing that. So we want to make sure that state actually gets set before we run sync notes. Unfortunately, it doesn't return a promise, so we can't use .then. But set state takes a second argument. If you pass it a function like this .sync notes, then it'll only run that after it finishes setting state. Notice I did not put the open close parens here. I want to pass the actual function. And it'll call that when it finishes. So what do we have in state right now? Let's sign out. And let's go ahead and refresh the page. In the React DevTools, I have empty object for notes. I sign in. And now the notes are set. It wasn't set as soon as the app component loaded, only after I authenticated, right? Cool. So sync notes only after authenticating.